Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we will master the TypeScript unions and intersections. So let's move ahead and then you see as what? First we will learn about union, then we will move to the intersections here. A union type allows a variable to store multiple possible types. It means a value can be one type or another types. In TypeScript, the pipe symbol here, this is your pipe symbol. You see that left side to the enter button. Okay, this pipe symbol, kind of a vertical line. This one is used to create a unions. This pipe symbol, and with simple definition, union type let a variable accept more than one type of values safely. So let check it the examples here. Basic union type examples. Okay, not next one here. Basic union type example. Then we will see wrong example. Why errors you see. Then example of union type of functions. Then type narrowing in union types. We will see on that. First basic union type, then wrong example, why errors, then example. So let's go to the VS Code. Okay, so here I am create a files here union.ts files. Then inside it here let this is user IDs and then it is a strings, it is equal to numbers and then user ID it is equal to ts 100. Then you write what console.log. This is user IDs. Okay, then let me execute that files. It is a very simple to execute next. This is tsc and then it is node your file name what union. This is union.js files. Here union.js files and you will see here ts 100. Got it? So here you can accept multiple types. This variable user type can accept strings as well as numbers. This is your pipe symbols. Okay, it is used for the unions. So what happens here? Okay guys, here again you can let me see. This is suppose 55 and then console.logs.user. Then you have to execute files and then you have to execute. You see here ts100 and 55. You see here in the variables user ID we have assigned the strings as well as here the number, but TypeScript did not throw any errors. Why? Because here union accept multiple data types for the same variable for the user ID. It could be string or it could be number. That is fine. Both are fine here. So this means user can store strings or it can store numbers. And then here also check the wrong type. Suppose here write in the comment this is wrong example, let is and then it is a string and then it is number, what is it is equal to true. You see here why? Because here a boolean is not assignable to the type string and number. Here you can assign in this case variable only, that is strings and then number, but here you have assigned the value that is a boolean and this is wrong. So here why either? Because boolean is not included in the union types. Here allowed only the strings and number. Here you can put its value only strings or numbers, but not allowed the boolean values here. So that's why it is wrong. Then we here check it in the examples, real life example. Here real life example. So here you have to imagine an e-commerce website and sometimes order ID can be numbers or generated as a strings. So here let order ID that is a number. Okay, then write this is a strings and then it is a console.log console.logs, and then okay, first you have to assign the value for order id, it is equal to 5001, and then it is order id is this one. Okay, and then here it is number, then next one you can assign the strings, and then it is right console.logs string order ids, and then order ids this one, and then execute it files and set tsc, and then this is union type. Okay, this is 5001, and then string order is this one. So you have to understand here, because the union type has have two types, numbers plus string. If you here put anything like booleans, you got error. If you put object, got errors. So this is union type. Now here's union type with functions. Here this is union types with functions, this one. Here let me define functions. This is function print ids, and then ids. Okay, it will be number or strings. Then inside you write console.logs, this is the user ids, and then ids this one, and then it is the print id inside the function into pass one, then print id, that is here. Okay, one good. So again you have to execute here tsc, and then here your file, you got it here, user id this number, and this is strings. Okay, and the function accept numbers or strings, so both function calls are valid, because here see here it's union type, it is number or string, that is both are acceptable here. And then here type narrowing in union types. So here write the comment here type, this is here in union types. Okay, let me define functions. This is a functions, and then so well here what is the meaning of this here? Narrowing in union type. Sometimes TypeScript need help understanding the exact type, so that it be simple. You have to add extra things, I mean extra conditions, like it is strings. Okay, then you have to show this one. If not a string, then you have to don't show this one. Okay, so here you have to values strings, and then number. Okay, not array. Here write if type of value is equal to the strings, and then here you have to write console.log, and then string length, this is here value dot length. Okay, this is a extra checking. Okay, you have to understand. And then otherwise console.logs numbers values, that is the values, got it outside here. You have show values. It is inside it TypeScript, and then this is a show value 2025. This is what you see here. If value is string, then you have to show the value dot length. If not, then you have to show the numbers. Okay, is TypeScript understand it is a number. This is a narrowing concept. Okay, I mean extra checking. So let me execute it files, and then this is here TSC, and then and you see string length 10, and then number value is 20, 20, 50. Okay, so this is all about the union types. Now here you have to move the next, which is what are the intersection types.